Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today I'm back on the production floor and we're looking here at our new machine guard barrier. This is what we call the RT line. Now what's really neat about this line is we've got the door systems here, but we also have panels that can be very quickly installed. There's a fastener that runs into the upright post. And we go with the black panels, the yellow post. That's what you typically want for safety. And this one is right at about the 6'5", 6'6" height. It's got the sweep space down here of about 5 1/4 inches. So everything is within the RIA standards. This product is very quick to install. You screw in some fasteners and you hang the panel very quickly on the fastener. It's not really a bolt-in system. You hang the panel onto the post. So it works out really well.